In this video, I will show you how to customize WooCommerce category page. Let's get started. In order to do that, what you can do is you can head over first on your products, and you can see in here the options for categories. So click on that, and then from in here, you should be able to see all of the categories that you have available. So I have in here this category. So if I actually want to edit this particular page, I can head over to its page to the actual dashboard right here. So just look for the pages option right here. So it's here right here. Click on all pages. And then once you have done that, you should be able to have in here a category page for that. So just look for the category page. This is that one, which is the summer category. Now click on this edit option right here. Or you can also have the option to edit it with Elementor. If you just click on this edit right here, you should be able to open the WordPress or WooCommerce editor instead of the Elementor editor. So this is what the category looks like. You can add actually some few more things that you want. You can add in here some excerpt, revisions, discussions, and page attributes as well. So you can also click on block, but there's actually no block selected and it's actually quite empty. So what you can do is you click on this edit with Elementor right here, and then this will load into the Elementor editor, wherein you can customize your WooCommerce category page. Now this is what it will look like. So you can edit it out however you want. You can add images just like this one. You can add heading, text editor, videos, buttons, paster, Google Maps icon, and you can also have this row widgets that you have for this one. So you can actually just click on one right here and just drag them right here. And once you have dragged that, you can choose the image that you want to add for this one. So for example, let's choose this image right here and select that. As you can see, it's been added right here. And you can also see in here the image resolution. So just do that on any navigator, any container that you have from in here, and you should be ready to go. Make sure to click on this update option right here in order to update the saved changes that you have. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, so leave a like, below, or subscribe, because this helps reach more people. See you soon.